Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
You've probably heard the term no cash bail in the news, but what does it actually mean, and why is it such a hot-button issue? To understand it, we first have to look at the traditional cash bail system. Historically, when someone was arrested, a judge would set a bail amount, say $10,000, as a form of collateral to ensure that person would return for their court dates. If you could pay it, or pay a fee to a bail bondsman, you could go home and wait for your trial. But if you couldn't afford it, you would stay in jail, sometimes for weeks, months, or even years, until your case was heard. This system has led to a major debate because critics argue it creates a two-tiered system of justice, one for the rich and one for the poor. A person with money accused of a serious crime could walk free, while a person without money accused of a minor, non-violent offense could be stuck behind bars, all before being proven guilty of anything. Being in jail, even for a few days, can cause someone to lose their job, their housing, and even custody of their children, creating immense pressure to plead guilty just to get out. So, what does no cash bail or bail reform try to do? It's not about letting everyone out of jail for free. Instead, it aims to eliminate money as the deciding factor for who gets released before trial. Under a no cash bail system, the decision to release someone is based on an individual risk assessment. A judge evaluates two main things. First, is the person a flight risk, meaning are they likely to skip their court dates? And second, are they a public safety risk, meaning are they a danger to the community? For someone accused of a low-level, non-violent crime and deemed low risk, a judge might release them on their own recognizance, which is basically a written promise to appear in court, sometimes with conditions like regular check-ins. On the other hand, if someone is considered a serious danger to the public or a significant flight risk, the judge can order them to be held in jail until their trial, regardless of how much money they have. The fundamental shift is from a system that asks "can you pay?" to one that asks "are you a risk?" The goal of these reforms is to ensure that a person's freedom before trial depends on their individual circumstances and the nature of their alleged crime, not the size of their bank account. Supporters say this is a fairer approach that upholds the principle of being innocent until proven guilty and saves taxpayer money on jailing people who aren't a threat. Opponents, however, worry that it could compromise public safety by releasing potentially dangerous individuals and may lead to more people failing to appear for their court dates. Ultimately, the move towards no cash bail is a fundamental change in how our justice system handles the period between an arrest and a trial, and the debate around it continues across the country. Thanks so much for watching and getting informed on this complex topic. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple breakdowns of important issues.